In this video, I want to go over the designs that you guys created for some of the niches that I recommended during this week's videos. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and Etsy. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I go over your guys' designs, just want to do a quick sales update for Merch by Amazon. So it's currently 11:48 a.m. on a Saturday morning, sitting at 10 sales. And $10 in royalties. That is going to put me at 903 sales for the month and $1,563 in royalties for the month of March. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So here are some of my latest videos right here, recommending some niches. So the first one that I want to go over is this election niche video that I made. Basically, I was recommending that you make designs that are similar to like the designs that say like Biden, Harris, or like Trump, and whichever VP he picks, whether it's like Tim Scott, for example. And instead of doing like Biden, Harris, you kind of make fun of those designs by doing a certain type of food, like burger and fries, bacon and eggs, things like that. And I saw some pretty good ones that made me laugh. So what I did is I went to Merch Informer and I typed in election 2024, hit enter, and then I just went straight to right here where it says, or I filtered it right here where it says newest arrivals. And the ones that I thought were really funny that kind of made me bust up laughing. Well, first it was this one right here. So alcohol and bad decisions. So if this is your design, make sure to comment below. But I thought this was good because just in general, you know, like alcohol or drinking designs tend to sell very well on Merch by Amazon, and alcohol and bad decisions just, you know, goes together so well. So I thought this was very creative because it wasn't just doing, you know, some type of food like probably other people were doing. You know, it was alcohol and bad decisions. So really good. And then I also like this one as well. This copy and paste, for some reason, this made me laugh as well. I mean, everybody uses copy and paste, or at least I know I do. So whoever made these designs, good job. You get a pat on the back. Now let's go ahead and take a look at another niche that I recommended. And then another niche that I recommended was this sexual assault awareness niche. It is going to be trending next month. April is Sexual Assault Awareness Month. It seemed like people liked it. It got a lot of views. And what I did is I just came here to Merch Informer, like I do, typed in sexual assault awareness, hit enter, and then I filtered it again by newest arrivals. And I found some good ones here. So this first one that I found, I like this one because I thought it was a really clever way to cross niche or cross niching sexual assault awareness with African American. So good job. I've been able to do pretty well with taking breast cancer and cross niching it with African American women. So really good job on the cross niching. Very clever. The only problem though is I didn't see, unless I'm missing it somewhere, I don't see, you know, African American women anywhere. I don't see, you know, the keywords black women or black woman, unless I'm missing it. Strong women. But, you know, I would, you know, put that keyword in there so that if someone types in sexual assault awareness with African American women or black women, you know, that niche will pop up. Now a couple other ones that I also thought were really good. It looks like there was one person that was taking these AI images, these like baby AI like giraffes, animals, and making these good designs right here. So I like this one because it was very different. I didn't see any other ones that are using like giraffes, baby giraffes. Everybody was basically using like the flag, using you know, the butterfly, you know, things like that. But this one was unique. That's why I liked it. And they're doing a good job with these anime eyes. These really make the animal look very cute. You can see right here. And I think they did 3 of these because it looks like they're all the same. So here's another one with the unicorn. Really good color scheme here. Love the teal colors, the butterflies. Great job on that one. Then there was another one that was even a baby dinosaur. So I thought these were very cute, very original, unique, and something different that not too many other people were doing. So if any of these are your designs, make sure to comment below so we can give you a pat on the back. And then I also made a video about the Flying Research newsletter where they recommended this niche right here, anti-littering. And I actually just put this out this morning, so this person was pretty quick on making this design. And it was this one right here that I liked. Littering, very bad for the environment, would not recommend. The reason why I liked it is because they're doing a good job cross-niching littering with, what's it called? With Earth Day, which is coming up next month in April. Here is mine right here, and I think yours is better than mine because I mean, I think mine's good, but yours does a better job on cross niching. So, you know, this will sell good, you know, year round, and also will really pick up during Earth Day. The only thing that I would probably recommend though is I would probably have the whole star filled out in yellow. I'm not too sure why it's just half the star, unless I'm missing something like this one. I would have it the whole star filled out in yellow, because you can't really leave half a star review. You know, it has to be at least 1 star. But other than that, good job, very clever on cross niching Earth Day with littering. And then I also made a video earlier this week talking about my biggest day ever on Merch by Amazon. If we go back to my sales, you're going to see I had a day where I did 185 sales, $484 in royalties, almost $500. Someone bought, I can't remember exactly what it was, but someone bought a lot of t-shirts. Oh yeah, I think it was like 131 t-shirts, t-shirts, and it came out to like $450 in royalties. So that's why I had this huge day. But I made a video about that sale that I had, and then I also recommended a skateboarding niche. It was yes, girls can skateboard, and there are a lot of good designs that I saw for this, and 2 that caught my attention that I thought were good was this first one right here. So yes, girls can skateboard. I thought this was cute because you have the hearts like this. You know, obviously girls are going to be wearing this. Girls loves hearts, so I thought that was good right there. And then another one that I also really liked was this one right here. The reason why I like this one is because the color scheme. I really liked how you had these like retro paint brushes behind the skateboard. Like you could have just had the skateboard and the text, but you added in, I don't know if it comes together like that, but I just really like the color scheme and the brushes that you had. The font looks really good. It's also distressed. So I just thought this was a really good design as well. So if any of these 2 were your designs, make sure to comment below. But those were the designs that I found that I thought were doing a really good job. Again, if I did show any of your designs, comment below. You guys all get a pat on the back. Great job. I think you guys are liking these type of videos where I do the reviews or the critiques. But that's going to be the video for today. If you want to support the channel, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I put out videos on a daily basis about Merch by Amazon, trending niches, evergreen niches, tips and tricks to get more sales on Merch by Amazon. I haven't really been making too many Etsy videos as of late. I know I say that I make Etsy videos, but I've just been having way more fun making Merch by Amazon content, you know. Even though Etsy, the videos do actually make more money than the merch ones, I just like doing merch videos better. So if you like that kind of content, make sure to, like I said, comment, like, and subscribe. I do have a couple affiliate links in the description. One is for Creative Fabrica. Another one is for Flying Research. Those are tools that I use to get sales like this. And then also, if you're new to Merch by Amazon, or if you're struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon, I do have a link in the description. It's the first link. It's a course for Merch by Amazon on Udemy. It's only 20 bucks. Like I said, it's good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. So if you're interested, check it out. If not, it's all good. But tomorrow's video is going to be a vlog, and then also Monday morning I'm going to be doing a live stream. So make sure you have your notifications checked off. I'll be going live at 9 a.m. Just going to be going over some trending niche research, and mainly evergreen niche research using TikTok. All right. So thanks so much for watching, and you guys have a great weekend. Adios.